welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making some bomb fried ribs. If you want to see it, keep on watching. Subscribe if you're new. Without further ado, let's get it. First thing I'll be doing is tenderizing my pork. Now if you do have some meat tenderizer, you can use it, but I didn't have any, so I'm using baking soda and vinegar to tenderize the meat, okay? Now I'm going to pour my vinegar in there. I'm using white distilled vinegar. Pour that on there, let it sit for about 10 minutes. Then I am going to wash it out, okay? Wash it out really good. If you do have meat tenderizer, like I said, you can just skip this whole step. But if you don't, you can try this out. This will help your pork cook faster without burning it. Now I have decided to cut my ribs into 2 pieces because they were too long for my liking. So I went ahead and just cut them right in the middle. These are the seasoning that I'll be using to season the ribs. The measurement will be below. Also, I have some yellow mustard as well. And here I have some Creole style chicken marinating. Now you can use it for chicken or whatever other meat that you have. I am going to add it to this ribs as well because this thing right here gives a lot of flavor to food. You don't really have to add other seasoning, but I wanted to take the flavor to a whole nother level, so I'm adding the dry seasoning in there as well. So I put it in a Ziploc bag and add the seasoning. Once I'm done, I am going to add the yellow mustard. I'm using about a teaspoon, and for the marinating, I'll see about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Shake it really good, make sure it's mixed together, and then we're going to set it aside. Place it in the fridge for about 10 to 20 minutes or even overnight if you like, okay? And once you're done, we're going to prep the flour. I'm using 1 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch for a nice crunch on the ribs. And also I'm adding some seasoning as well in the flour to make sure it has lots of flavor in there. So we're going to mix that together. Now I'm going to pour the flour in here so you guys can see what I'm doing exactly. If you want, you can just place it in the bag and shake it. You'll be good to go. But I place it on here so you guys can see. Now I'm going to take the ribs and place it in the flour. Make sure it has a nice coat of the flour. Don't overdo it like you would for chicken. Next, we're going to shake the excess flour and then place it on the side and repeat the process. Once your ribs are nice and floured with the seasoned flour, this is what they look like. Now we're going to fry them. Now my oil was extremely hot. Don't try this at home. Okay, I'm going to fry them for about 10 to 15 minutes like you would for chicken. And once they're done, they should be nice and golden brown and crispy like this right here. Y'all can see. Oh. And this is what they look like, honey. They are so crispy, but if you wait too long, as y'all can see, they will literally get soggy on you because it is juicy. That's one thing. This tastes like pork chops, but better and juicier. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know if you're going to try this out. And I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.